are you doing? You're doing a car wash? Are you washing your car? Don't forget the spot in the back. Don't forget your trunk. Can you water Mommy's plant too? Is it stuck? Did you get it clean?
Yeah.
I think you need a towel to dry it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, there's a towel. Oh, maybe Daddy took it inside. Oh, the back's full of water, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, don't put that in there. It's not going to dry it. It's going to soak it. It already is soaked, isn't it? You're going to end up soaking wet. We're going to have to change your clothes. Is your car clean now?
Yeah.
It's nice and clean? Is that clean? That's not clean? Is that clean? No more water. All done?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Maybe you should park your car in the sun so it dries. Yeah. Yeah, park your car over in the sun so that it dries off.
Dad? My car? Dad?
Yeah.
Oh. The half. The half.
Is it off? Is it dried off?
Yes. No. Dad. Daddy. Dad.
Oh. Did the water leak? Did it drain out?
Yeah.
Oh, good. What's left in there? What do you got in there? Big rock?
Yeah.
How'd you get that rock in there?
Yeah. Mommy going to you? Mommy going to you?
Well, come around here and clean the wheel then. Get out of the car. I'm not cleaning the wheel for you.